vacant position. You undergone interviews and even answering some personal question, sharing your outlook and perspective, accepting the challenges to achieve. No complaint nor spot of negative won't, yes I will. And no I don't words and phrases released from the mouth, with confidence and an opaque of doubt. Later on, became part of the organization. But that hidden behavior started to thorn, blethering and mocking the system, without realizing the consequences as part of the team. Why not getting out if you don't understand? Whether you are barren or becoming fecund, it is absurd to perform good for our own intention. Instead, to do better and befriend our organization. Stop talking, quit working, find another job for you to care. And where you are the manager. This is my work and my place, I am gaily to utter praise. Because of which my needs are provided, satisfied even to own the want I've ever wanted. Instead of releasing unpleasant words and outlook, why not saying thank you Lord, I have a work,